Good morning, or good afternoon, wherever you may be, or good evening, or good night. This is Jen at JensArtyInclinations, a place to create, share and play.
Hello. Here we are, another quick tip. So, you know those backings that we peel off when we've got those 2 and 3 ply serviettes or napkins, as you call them overseas, and you know the white layers? Well, it's Christmas time, great time for giving gifts. Here is such an easy way to use them up. So you use them when you're wrapping. See, here I'm just using them around as a bit of extra padding. Let's say I want to give away, a beautiful gift of some inks. Who doesn't love ink at Christmas? And then it looks so cute. So just like normal tissue paper. These, by the way, I've done some little bags. So I've got a video coming up with those very, very soon that'll show you how to make your very own out of anything you want. So how easy is this? Or you can just pop it in the bottom and just squish up your tissue to use it on the top. I thought it's a good idea if you've got lots of extra stashes of those serviette seconds on hand, and hope you enjoy too. Love it if you could leave me a comment below. Hit the like button if you enjoyed what you saw today. And of course, please subscribe if you haven't already. I will see you next time. And in the meantime, keep creating. Enjoy!